Namaskaram. Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are good, happy, healthy, and safe at your home. Dear students, today we are again here for yoga and physical activity session. And in this session, today we will do some micro yogic practice and some yogic asana and pranayama yogic approach. So let's come. First, we will start our session with Gayatri Mantra. First, sit any meditative posture. Today we will sit on Padmasana. How to sit on Padmasana? First, extend the legs in front like this. Catch your right leg ankle and place your right foot on your upper part of left thigh, root of upper part of left thigh, and catch your left leg ankle and place your left foot on your right thigh like this. This position called Padma. Padma means lotus. And keep both hands in Jnana Mudra. If you can't able to sit in this posture, you can normally fold your legs. Sit on Saralasana. So let's come. First, keep both hands in Jnana Mudra. Eyes closed. Normalize your breathings. Back straight. Adopt Namaskara Mudra. Eyes should be closed. And start Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhurbhuvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Yo Naha Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Yo Naha Prachodayat. Rub your both palms. Make a heel and place your palms on your eyes, your face muscle. Relax your eyes, relax your mind, and look at your palm with a gentle smile. Release the asana and come to standing position. And go for warm up yogic practice. First, legs apart according to your shoulder, both hands on your waist, and exhale, bend your head. Touch your chin to the chest. Inhale up as much as you can. Exhale. Inhale 2. Exhale down. Inhale 3. Exhale down. Inhale 4. Exhale down. Inhale 5. Exhale down. Inhale 6, exhale down. Inhale 7, exhale down. Inhale 8, exhale down. Inhale 9, exhale down. Inhale 10, exhale down. Inhale, come through to the center, and exhale, twist your head to left side, look back from left shoulder with exhale. Inhale center, exhale right. Inhale, come through to the center. Exhale left. Inhale center, exhale right. Inhale, come through to the center. And exhale, bend your head to left side with exhale. Inhale, come through to the center. Exhale right. Inhale center, exhale left. Inhale, come through to the center. And exhale, bend your head, touch your chin to the chest and go for head rotation. Make a complete circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, reverse, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release and move. Stretch your both hands in front and clutch your finger. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Make a fist and go for this rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reverse. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Elbow movement. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Place both hands on your shoulder with fingers, elbows together, and go for shoulder rotation. Make a complete circle. Bicep touching to the ear, elbows together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release your hands from side. Next, place your both hands on your waist, legs apart according to your shoulder, and go for hip rotation. Make a complete circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reverse. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly. Next, legs together, feet together, and go for side bend. Inhale, raise your left arm above the head, left bicep touching to the ear, fingers separate, and exhale, bend to right, and look up. And hold here for 10 to 15 seconds. Inhale, come back and release the hand. Same with opposite hand. Raise your right arm above the head, right bicep touching to the ear, and inhale and exhale, bend to left and look up. And hold here 10 to 15 seconds. Inhale, come back, release the hand from side. And next, legs apart according to your shoulder. Raise the arms in line with the shoulder. And exhale, twist to left side. Place your right hand on your left shoulder, your left hand behind your back, and bend the waist and look back from left side. Inhale, come straight to the center. And exhale, twist to right side. Place your left hand on your right shoulder, your right hand behind your back, and bend the waist and look back from right. And hold. Inhale, come straight to the center. And release the hands. And next, place both palm on your kneecap and bend your knees and go for knee movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reverse. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release. Place both hands on your waist. Stretch your right leg in front and go for ankle movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reverse. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. Same with opposite leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reverse. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release. Take few normal breaths. Normalize your breathing. And next, first standing yogic asana, Tadasana. Stand like erect, legs together, feet together. And inhale, raise the arms from side above the head, interlock your finger and rest your both palm center of the head and legs together. And inhale, turn your palm toward the sky and stand with your toes and heels of the ground. Your bicep touching to the air, elbow straight and stretch, fully stretch upward. Stretch from your shoulder, included your thighs muscle, your shoulder muscles, fully stretch up. Your whole body weight on your toes and balance. Hold here for 10 to 15 seconds. And exhale, release. Release the hands from. And next, legs apart. And next, we will do Vakshaprasara Yogikasana. 1 to 1.5 feet gap in between your legs. And exhale, bend forward. Palms touching each other. Come to Samkona Asana. Palms touching each other. And deep inhale, bring your hands above the head in Y shape and arch back. And exhale, come to Samkona Asana. With exhale, palms touching each other. And inhale, arch back. As much as you can. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And release the hands from side. Take few normal breaths. And next, spread your legs. 3 to 4 feet gap in between your legs. And next, we will do Utthita Parsava Konasana. Place both hands on your waist. First, your left feet left side and your right feet 45 degree. And raise the arms in line with the shoulder. And exhale, bend your left knee. Slightly bend. And your left thigh parallel to the ground. And your left leg position 90 degree angle. Like this. And place your left palm beside your left feet. Like this. And your right leg fully extend towards the right. And raise your right arm above the head. Your right bicep touching to the air. And look up. And hold here for 10 to 15 seconds. Inhale, come back, release. Same with opposite leg. Your left feet 45 degree in and your right feet foot 90 degree outward. Like this. Raise the arms in line with the shoulder and slightly bend your right knee and your right thigh parallel to the ground and your right leg position 90 degree like this, and place your right palm beside your right feet and your left arm over the head, your left bicep touching to the air, and look up and hold here 10 to 15 seconds. Inhale, come back and release. Take few normal breaths and next we will do again, spread your legs, 3 to 4 feet gap in between your legs, and first turn your left feet left side and place your both hands behind your back, interlock your finger, palm turn outside and go for Paravartita Uttanasana. Inhale and exhale, bend forward and hold for option 1. Hold, exhale, more exhale, exhale, touch your forehead to your knee and go. Extend your hands towards the ground. Inhale, come back. Slowly come back. Same with the opposite leg. Your left feet 45 degree and your right feet 90 degree out. And turn your trunk to right side. And both hands behind your back. Interlock your finger, palm turning outside. And inhale and exhale. Slightly bend forward, and hold 90 degrees. Option 1. And exhale, more exhale, go for option 2. Inhale, come back and release. Release the hands, release the hands. Take few normal breaths, normalize your breathings. Sit on the mat. Sitting position. Sit on Vajrasana. Extend the legs in front and go for next. Toes together, feet together. Go for butterfly. Swing your legs up and down. Release the leg. And next, Lay down on your back, take left turn. We will do Uttana Padasana. Both palms closer to your thighs. And inhale, lift your right leg up in 30 degree. Flex your toes and hold for 10 seconds. Release. Same with opposite leg. Inhale, lift your left leg in 30 degree. Flex your toe and hold for 10 seconds. Release. And next, lift your both legs in 30 degree, lift up, flex your toes and hold here for 30 seconds. Slowly relax. Take few more breaths. Next, we will do Tantrasana. Bend your both knees and both heels closer to your buttocks and catch your right heel with your right hand. Catch your left heel with your left hand. And go for Tantrasana. Inhale, lift your middle part of the body. Lift up as much as you can lift up. Your whole body weight on your shoulder and your feet. Your middle part of the body lift up. Your waist region, your chest region, your thighs, your buttocks should off the ground. And hold here 10 to 15 seconds. Exhale, slowly release. Release the legs. Next, we will do Pavanamuktasana. First, with your right leg, bend your right leg, heel closer to buttock, your right knee closer to buttock, and catch your right kneecap with your both hands, with interlock your fingers, and inhale, press your right thigh into the chest with inhale, and exhale, lift your head up and touch your nose to your right knee and hold here 5 to 10 seconds. Inhale, slowly. Same with opposite leg. Bend your left leg closer to buttock.
Catch your left kneecap and press into the chest. Inhale and exhale, head up and touch your nose to your left ear and hold 5 to 10 seconds. Inhale slowly. With both legs, bend your both legs, heels closer to buttocks. Catch your knees with your hands. And inhale, press into the chest. And exhale, touch your nose to your knees. And hold 5 to 10 seconds. Inhale slowly and relax. Take left arm.
Sit on the mat. Sit any meditative posture. Both hands in Jnana Mudra. Eyes closed. First normalize your breathing. Next we will do प्राणायाम यौगिक अभ्यास। प्राणायामों का अभ्यास किसी भी ध्यानात्मक आसन की स्थिति में बैठे, सरल आसन की स्थिति में बैठे, दोनों हाथों की ज्ञान मुद्रा, कंधे, कमर व सीधी। नॉर्मलाइज योर ब्रीथिंग्स, श्वासों का प्रवाह सामान्य। फर्स्ट प्राणायाम का अभ्यास भस्त्रिका प्राणायाम। हम इस अभ्यास को 3 गतियों से करेंगे। प्रथम सरल गति से, द्वितीय में मध्यम गति से, तृतीय में तीव्र गति का अभ्यास। कमर गर्दन सीधी। फर्स्ट सरल गति से। इनहेल एंड एक्सहेल। यहीं से मध्यम गति का अभ्यास रिलैक्स, सामान्य श्वास। यहीं से तीव्र गति का अभ्यास। दोनों हाथों से घुटनों पर इस प्रकार रखें, दोनों हथेलियों को, और हाथों के सपोर्ट से इस अभ्यास को तीव्र गति का अभ्यास करेंगे भस्त्रिका का। कुछ विशेष बातों का ध्यान रखें अभ्यास तीव्र गति से करने से पूर्व। हाई ब्लड प्रेशर और ते भी कार्डियक से संबंधित रोगी हैं, वे इस अभ्यास को तीव्र गति से ना करें, वे सरल गति से इस अभ्यास को कर सकते हैं, वह भी सावधानी। चलिए प्रारंभ करें तीव्र गति का अभ्यास। रिलैक्स। सामान्य श्वास प्रश्वास, कुछ देर मौन रहे। श्वासों का प्रवाह समान। यहीं से अगला अभ्यास कपाल भाती प्राणायाम का होगा। स्टोक के माध्यम से स्टमक को अंदर की ओर धक्का देना है और मेरुदंड के समीप ले जाने का प्रयत्न करना है। पूर्ण अभ्यास आपके रेचक क्रिया और पेट के अंदर धक्का देने के साथ होगी। तो इस बात का विशेष ध्यान रखें कि आपका स्टमक भी अंदर जाएगा, साथ में आपको एक फोर्सफुली एक्सेल भी करना है स्टमक अंदर, और लंग की हेल्प से आपको पूरा धक्का देके श्वास बाहर निकालना। चलिए प्रारंभ करें। फर्स्ट 20 एंड 30 एंड 40 के स्ट्रोक्स। Relax. Normalize your breathing. Next, Anulom Vilom Pranayama. Make Pranav Mudra with your right hand and close your right nostril with your thumb and inhale from left. And exhale to right. Inhale again from right and exhale to left. It's complete one cycle. एक चक्र पूर्ण। इसी प्रकार आपको 5 चक्रों का अभ्यास और चलिए प्रारंभ करें। रिलैक्स। टेंशन, हाइपरटेंशन, एंजाइटी, अनिद्रा, मानसिक चेतना को बढ़ाने वाला, स्मरण शक्ति को बढ़ाने वाला अभ्यास अनुलोम विलोम, रक्त शुद्धि के लिए बहुत ही उत्तम अभ्यास, ईएनटी केयर का अभ्यास। इसको अपने दैनिक दिनचर्या में सम्मिलित करें। नेक्स्ट, भ्रामरिक उद्गीत का अभ्यास। हाथों की षटमुखनी मुद्रा बनाएं। अंगूठे से कानों के पटलों को बंद करें। पहली उंगली आपके आईब्रो के ऊपर, दूसरी आईबॉल के ऊपर, तीसरी अपर लिप्स के ऊपर और लास्ट और छोटी उंगली आपके लोअर लिप्स के नीचे। श्वास भरें और मौ का उच्चारण करना है। होठों को आपस में मिलाए रखें, दांतों को आपस में ना मिलाएं, जीवा को दांतों से पीछे रखें, दांतों में ना मिलाएं।
3 बार इस अभ्यास को करें और वापस आंख बंद कर ध्यान कुछ देर मौन ही रहे। यहीं से ओमकार का प्रणव उच्चारण होगा। औ ऊम का अकार मकार उकार नाभि और कंठ से प्रारंभ करें। नाभि से और कंठ प्रदेश की ओर ले जाएं। औ ऊम का उच्चारण। ओंकार से उत्पन्न उस दिव्य ऊर्जा को अपने अंतर मन में आत्मसात करें। अनुभव करें कि आपका अंतःकरण शुद्ध हो रहा है और आसपास का वातावरण भी ऊर्जान्वित और शुद्ध हो रहा है। इसी मनोभाव से दोनों हथेलियों का आपस में मिला और तेजी से रखो। हाथों में उत्पन्न उष्मा ऊर्जा को आंखों पर चेहरे पर और तेज तलाव को आंखों को खोलते हुए मधुर मुस्कान के साथ। नमस्कारम। थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू। हैव अ नाइस डे।